Feeling stuck between sky high private colleges and endless drop year, but you still want to become a doctor? What if I told you there's another way? एक affordable और globally recognized path ताकि you don't compromise on this dream. Hi everyone, I'm Saundarya, a final year MBBS student और मैं यहाँ पे उन बच्चों को गाइड करने आई हूँ जो नीट क्रैक नहीं कर पाए या उन्हें कोई सीट नहीं मिली, be it high fees, limited seat or simply a bad luck. That's why in this series I provide you with a list of colleges so that you can apply and fulfill your dream of becoming a doctor. Because I believe MBBS abroad is a better option. It's more affordable too. क्योंकि इंडिया में प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस की फीस कैन गो अप टू 1 crore. But I have found you budget friendly college options which are equally very good. All these colleges are NMC and WHO approved, just like Indian colleges. But why I'm stretching so much on WHO and NMC approval? And after completing MBBS, अगर आपको इंडिया वापस आना हो या तो यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करनी हो, you can easily crack this exam. इससे पहले I've shared 3 different colleges. They are great options as well. Make sure to check them out. So today's video is about another great university. So welcome to Kyrgyzstan, a country known for the breathtaking landscapes, student-friendly environment and high-quality education system. Bishkek, the capital city, is not just a beautiful place to live in, but also home to the best medical university for international students. We are talking about International Higher School of Medicine, IHSM, located in Bishkek, was established in 2003 and produced thousands of successful doctors, providing world-class education at an affordable cost. IHSM has 2 campuses, but today we will talk about Central Campus. Think about how old and experienced this university must be. Over 18,000 students have graduated and more than 3,500 students are currently enrolled. And as I mentioned earlier, this university is approved by NMC, WHO, World Federation for Medical Education, and also by Ministry of Education and Science of Kyrgyzstan. If we talk about classroom facilities, they have got a modern infrastructure, anatomy museum, dissection rooms, and a computer center. The faculty is highly experienced and qualified. And as for college hospital, IHSM operates its own medical clinic and hospital. Vedanta has 10 chains of hospitals and they conduct practicals with proper hands-on practice. The course of duration is 6 years, 5 years of theoretical studies and 1 year of internship. Now the FMG, the Foreign Medical Graduate Examination, its passing rate is very high. More than 1,000 students passed in 2024. Can you even believe that? The internship here is also for 12 months at IHSM Hospital Vedanta. और एक ऐसा बेनिफिट जो बाकी किसी कॉलेज में नहीं मिलेगा. IHSM provides Prosham Premium Training Program to Indian students. Along with their normal classes, they will be provided with this premium platform. It is one key feature of this college which makes it top choice among students. Mark my words, after entering into medical college, especially in abroad, you might feel lost, will need guidance, will need right resources and books. And that's when this Prosham Premium Training Program will be a savior right from the first year itself. In this program, you can get access to video lectures of all the subjects curated by renowned lecturers. But what if I tell you my goal is not FMG? And the best part, these programs help you clear any exam, including USMLE and PLAB. Talking about college hostels, they are really good with great infrastructure. Free Wi-Fi is available and Indian food is served in the mess. The hostel fees is just 24,000 per semester and tuition fees is around 3.5 lakhs per year. So your total 6-year expense would be 25 to 30 lakhs. Now let's compare it with other colleges. IHSM is one of the top ranking universities in Kyrgyzstan. It provides a premium training program which is not available in any Kyrgyzstan universities, helping Indian students in their exam preparation. So the benefits of IHSM include affordable tuition, experienced faculty, modern infrastructure, and the entire syllabus is taught in English just like Indian medical colleges. And as for eligibility, you only need to have qualified NEET and scored 50% in 11th and 12th grades. And the good part, they don't require an entrance exam. Now talking about which agency to choose, I will recommend you select your university. They offer you assistance with whole 6 years from starting to end. You should always opt for trusted agency like these. They have total of 14 years of experience in sending students abroad for studies. Since you all watched video till the end, I have some special offer for you guys. If you register using the form in the description, your first flight ticket will be free. Yes, a free flight ticket to Bishkek, your dream university. So guys, your dream of becoming a doctor has become even more affordable. What are you waiting for? Fill out your form now and take a first step toward your medical career at IHSM Bishkek. See you guys at my next video, which will be final video of the series. Tab tak ke liye, see you then.